I'm so glad that this has been the best decision ever. Thank you very much.
Are you sure?
Oh, I love it, though. I'm so happy.
I haven't paid you to say anything.
No,
Right?
no. Oh my god, I'm me again.
Alright, thank you so much.
Our lovely patient did not like the composite filling material on her upper front teeth. She wanted a new smile as close as possible to what her original teeth looked like. So after extensive discussion, we came up with a smile design and tried it on. Our patient was happy. We had a nicer smile curve, better symmetry right hand side, left hand side, and the porcelain glass ceramic veneers would deliver a consistent white colour. So here is the before and after. All old composite filling material removed, a consistent white colour achieved with 8 porcelain glass ceramic veneers, and a more symmetrical smile curve along the edges of the upper front teeth. The upper front teeth also appear better aligned in the upper arch curvature. The 2 front teeth are no longer uneven. And we have a very happy young lady. Thank you to my patient. Thank you so much. It was a privilege to be your dentist. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow Smile Makeover Volume 49.